Hello everyone, this is Urvashi Chauhan and you are watching Courts Today by Livelaw. We bring to you the latest and in-depth legal coverage. Coming to you with a brief of what all happened in the Indian courts today. Starting with the Supreme Court, which today directed the Telangana High Court to place before its vacation bench the plea for anticipatory bail filed by Lok Sabha member Y.S. Avinash Reddy, accused in murder case of Y.S. Vivekanand Reddy, a member of the Indian National Congress. The matter has been listed on 25th of May, this week. As you know, earlier the CBI had issued a summons to Avinash Reddy. In anticipation of his arrest, Avinash Reddy approached the High Court, which reserved its order till April 25th and also granted him protection from arrest till then. But on 24th April, the Supreme Court set aside this order of Telangana High Court. Today, the Supreme Court bench comprising Justice J.K. Maheshwari and Justice P.S. Narasimha expressed disappointment on the fact that the High Court had taken up the matter on 2 dates but had not passed any order. A Varanasi court today allowed an application moved before it seeking to consolidate 8 Gyanvapi related suits pending before various courts. Now all these matters will be heard together by the District Judge's Court. District Judge Ajay Krishna Vishwaya passed this order today, observing that all the matters should be consolidated and tried together. The order has been passed in view of Section 4A of Civil Procedure Code as inserted by Uttar Pradesh Act 57 of 1976, which empowers the court to direct joint trial of 2 or more suits or proceedings when they are pending before the same court. This is when the court considers it expedient in the interest of justice. In another update, a court in Gujarat's Ahmedabad district today issued summons to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh in a criminal defamation complaint filed by Gujarat University for alleged derogatory statements made by the two in connection with the controversy regarding Prime Minister Narendra Modi's academic degree. The summons directing the duo to appear on June 7th was issued by the Court of Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate today, after it was informed that the summons issued previously directing them to appear in court today was not received by them. The background here is that in 2016, the Central Information Commission CIC had directed the Gujarat University to provide information regarding degrees in the name of Mr. Narendra Damar Das Modi to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The university had filed an appeal regarding this and the Gujarat High Court quashed the order of CIC. The present complaint states that right after the Gujarat High Court quashed the order, CM Kejriwal and MP Sanjay Singh made sarcastic and defamatory statements targeting the university over the degree. In another update, the Delhi High Court today permitted journalists Prannoy Roy and Radhika Roy to travel abroad from July 25th to August 15th, observing that they don't pose a flight risk owing to their professional standing. The court disposed of an application filed by the Roys and permitted them to travel abroad, subject to the condition that they will provide details of their itinerary to the registrar of the court. Justice Pratibha M. Singh also directed the duo to furnish an undertaking stating that they shall return not later than August 30th. The application was moved by the Roys in their plea, challenging the lookout circular which was opened by the CBI pursuant to the registration of 2 FIRs of June 2017 and August 2019. In an interesting development, the Gujarat High Court today granted ad interim relief to Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinai Kumar Saxena in his plea for suspension of trial in a 2002 assault case until he holds the post of LG. The court has essentially granted an interim stay on the proceedings in the criminal trial case pending before the Ahmedabad court. Earlier this month, an Ahmedabad Metropolitan Court had rejected his application seeking immunity from facing a criminal trial until he occupies his current post in view of the express bar contained under Article 361(2) of the Constitution. The Metropolitan Court had observed that conducting a separate trial against him later after he demits the office of LG would cause hardship to the prosecution witness. Challenging rejection of relief, he had moved the High Court, which today granted him relief. Saxena is essentially facing allegations of rioting, unlawful assembly and assault against Narmada Bachao Andolan activist Medha Patkar in the year 2002 in Ahmedabad. The Kerala High Court today dismissed the petition filed by Malayalam film actor Unni Mukundan to stay proceedings against him in a case of sexual harassment pending before the Judicial First Class Magistrate Court, Ernakulam. The order of dismissal was passed by a single bench of Justice K. Babu. The case relates to an ongoing trial court proceeding against the actor, which was initiated based on a complaint filed by a woman in 2017 accusing the actor of sexual harassment. The alleged incident is said to have taken place in Kochi when the woman visited the actor to discuss a movie project. To know more about the case, you can click on the link given below. And now coming to the Delhi High Court, which today set aside the decision of Mayor Shelley Oberoi to hold re-election for 6 members of the Standing Committee of Delhi Municipal Corporation. Justice Purushendra Kumar Kaurav allowed the pleas moved by BJP councillors Kamaljeet Sherawat and Shikha Roy, challenging the notice issued by the mayor on February 24th this year. The court has ordered the mayor to declare the results of the elections, and Justice Kaurav also said that Oberoi's decision was not based on any material and that she acted in excess of her powers. And lastly, coming to the Delhi High Court, which today reserved judgment on the public interest litigation challenging Reserve Bank of India and State Bank of India's notifications that permit exchange of rupees 2000 currency notes without requirement of any identity proof. As you know, the plea has been moved by BJP leader and advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay, seeking to declare the notifications as arbitrary and against Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Stay tuned with us to know the verdict in the case. Thank you for watching. If you wish to know more details about the cases I mentioned here, you can check the links given in the description box below. Stay ahead with quick legal updates only on Live Law. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and support us.